and the tension is palpable. 90 minutes of what should be highly entertaining and absorbing football to come, and it would take a very brave person indeed to predict the outcome. What an enticing prospect. Join us for all the action next on EA TV.
Very warm welcome to you from Wembley Stadium. My name's Guy Mowbray and alongside me is Sue Smith for commentary, and we should have a cracking contest here. It's England and they face Portugal.
Well, thanks, Guy. It's great to be here. I think it's going to be a really good game today. Both teams will be well up for it, so hopefully we're in for a treat.
And it's all been sorted out by the goalkeeper. This is the England team. Trent Alexander-Arnold starts with Ben Chilwell in the fullback positions. James Maddison plays along to edge ahead. Oh, it's hit the post. It was looking good, but there it's ended.
Well, that was a good attempt, and they're unlucky not to be in the lead. They've started really well, and they would have deserved that, you've got to say.
And out it goes for a throw. Players waiting in the centre. And the attack is over. Really good defending. Well, Harry Kane is amongst the very best at what he does. Are we going to see
It's really opening up for them here, Guy.
Nuno Santos. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Maddison. Maddison. Grealish. That's a good ball. What a chance. Oh, against the post. That's been cleared away. Might have got in there. Well cut out.
Well, they were so close to taking the lead there. They just have to keep creating these opportunities, and surely the goal will come.
Ball taken away from them. Maddison. Saka. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. You really shouldn't concede possession as easily as that. Chilwell takes the shot. Oh, just over. If only that could have been hit from a metre or so further back. Now there might be a chance as they keep it moving. It's in! 1-0, and all the pressure made to count. Clearly the better team to this point.
Well, you could see this coming. They did a great job of moving the ball, pulling players out of position, and then when the space did open up, they punished them. It's a really good team goal.
So off we go at 1-0. Nuno Santos. On to Bukayo Saka. They found a way through. In behind. Can he finish? And still danger here. And that must be so disappointing for them. And that's going to be all for the first half here at Wembley. The ball is rolling and the second half is underway. The chance to cross here. They're behind, but a good corner could change that. And they go short with the corner. Cuts it back. Oh, great block. Neves. They could level it here. And how has that been kept out?
Oh, no idea. You just expected it to go in from there, but the keeper had other ideas. It's a top-class save.
And just over the bar.
Yeah, it's a well-worked corner, and he makes decent contact, just lacking that little bit of accuracy.
Kane. Saka. Now, can this be attacked? And it's not the best of clearances. And that's pretty straightforward for the keeper. James Maddison. Saka. And this could be. Crucial defending. A corner now then, and a good chance to go further ahead. They decide against putting it into the box.
Can the owner of the blue car please return to your vehicle? Your lights are on.
Plenty of space to attack now. And possession given away. Alexander-Arnold. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. Could be a chance to break here. Can they take advantage? Is this the equaliser? And so close to finishing it off.
Oh, that was impressive. The amount of players sprinting to get forward in support of the ball. So many options. Picked the right one, just couldn't convert the chance.
Number 10, James Madison. Number 7, Saka. And number 3, Trent Alexander-Arnold. Coming onto the pitch, number 16, Marcus Rashford. Number 8, Mason Mount. Number 47, Phil Foden. And number 4, Kieran Trippier.
Beautifully weighted ball. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Now there could be a chance to counter. Kane. Found nicely and in. Foden. Another goal. And one that surely will seal the win.
Well, here's the replay, and they do link up so well, don't they? It's a lovely little 1-2 to start the move. And then 2v1, the keeper has no chance. But they still have to stay focused and finish it off, which they did with ease.
And the game restarts with the score 2-0. Good work to beat the challenge. And it crosses the line for a corner. It's put into the middle. Well, not quite fully away here. Dallo. A nice move ends thanks to nice defending. Counter-attack coming, away they go. Beaten easily here. João Felix. Genuine chance. Oh, he's missed it, and that might be their fate sealed.
Oh, the clock's ticking faster than they'd like it to. I think that had to go in, Guy.
And the game comes to an end with the home fans in positive mood. That's the win they came to see.
Yeah, it was a positive performance. Some of their play today was great to watch. They moved the ball quick and created some really good openings. It's a good result.
this game and a backdrop to match the special occasion. The fans had this one circled on their calendars long ago, and now it's a matter of who will dominate on the pitch. Big characters on the big stage. What a prospect. Don't go anywhere.
A very warm welcome to you from Wembley Stadium. Guy Mowbray here for commentary with Sue Smith alongside me, and everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. Your thoughts on this game then, Sue?
Thanks, Guy. Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
Decent move looked to be building, but that's it for now. This is the England team. Nick Pope is the goalkeeper. Ben Chilwell starts with Trent Alexander-Arnold in the fullback positions, and the main striker is Harry Kane. This is the lineup for the visitors.
They are lining up in a 4-3-3 system, and with this, it naturally creates triangles all over the pitch. So it means lots of options for players. It does allow them to get forward and support the attacks as well.
And unable to retain possession. Finds himself with space now. Put into the box. He'll have to be quick. Jude Bellingham. He's beaten his marker here. And it will now be a corner.
Well, there's not been much to cheer about for a while, but they're certainly getting behind them here. They sense that a goal's coming.
And there it ends. Well, that's how to clear it. Declan Rice. Kane! And there's the first goal of the match. Deadlock broken.
Another look now, and you can see he's under all sorts of pressure here. He's done well, though, to fend them off. Really strong play and a good finish, too.
So off we go at 1-0. That's been cut out. It's too easy. Josh Cullen. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Grealish. Kane. Saka. Having a try. And not this time, it's been saved.
He's certainly looked lively, hasn't he? And you can see that he wants that second goal, but it's a good save from the keeper.
A short corner taken here. Grealish. Delivered into the box. Unable to find anyone with that. And that will do it for the first half at Wembley. Well, I think it's fair to say that Harry Kane is putting his mark on the game and more. He's causing problems.
Well, it was certainly a good 45 minutes. Obviously got the goal to put them in front, but he's not...
So the second half kicks off. They've lost it there, and the attack is over. And it's on now. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Here we can see it again. He's got good movement and ability on the ball. And when he's through 1v1, I never thought he'd miss. The goalkeeper had no chance.
So away we go again at 2-0 now. Bellingham. And they want to see a shot here. Oh, that's not properly away. It was looking good, but not all the way through. Good work to regain possession. Under a bit of pressure here. Plenty of open space here. Found nicely and in. Well, there's another. And they're running away with it now. It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
Well, let's take a look at this again. The cross is great. It's difficult to defend, and it's all about can someone get on the end of it. And all the forward has to do is get on the end of it, which he does so well. It's a really nice finish.
So 3-0 now, the lead ever more commanding as we start again. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Abraham. The ref allowing the game to flow. Out of play for a throw and maybe just a lapse in concentration. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Oh, worth a shot. And he's done really well to keep that out. Breaking at pace, this could be dangerous. Now for the finish. Oh, what a goal! A moment of pure individual brilliance. It's a 1 in 1,000 goal.
Well, I could watch this again and again. It's an unbelievable technique. Some attempt this, not many get it right, and that's perfect. You won't see many goals better than that.
So they get us moving once again, and it does feel like the full-time whistle can't come soon enough. Could be something on. Found nicely and in. Another goal. And the sort of day supporters dream of and will savour for a long, long time.
Well, we can take another look now. It's great interplay between the two of them to start the move. And when he's through on goal, there was no doubt that he was going to score. He set himself well, and then what a tidy finish.
And off we go again with the gap now a full 5-0. It's gone out, and the pressure told that. Declan Rice. Abraham. Saka. Well read to gain possession. And that's the final whistle. A positive result, at least as far as the home fans are concerned. Sue, what did you make of their performance?
Well, that was really comfortable, wasn't it? The play going forward was so clinical.